So here we have a question. 18 divide 3 plus 4 multiply 2. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question we have one division, one addition and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition. And multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 plus 4 multiply 2. Now first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 6 plus, now 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay. So the correct answer is 14.